friends and welcome to Smart Solution School of AI and Machine Learning. In this video, I'll guide you to download your certificate. And if you go to SSSAMacademy.com, you'll have a pop-up that will be an inquiry form. It will help you to any guidance that you require. And if you don't need any guidance or you just want to download a certificate, you can cancel it. So please, I request you to follow and subscribe our channel. If you want to download your certificate, you have to go to the certificate and apply certificate. In this field, you will see many options that you have to fill. For example, you have to fill your name, you have to fill your phone number in this, you have to fill your email ID, your date of birth, and to the city that you are living in. And after that, you have to select your course. There are many courses that are given, like ethical hacking, data analytics, data engineering, that you can select. And if your course is not mentioned here, you can scroll down and you find an option of other. You can write your course name there. For example, now I am taking data analytics as an example. Then you have to select your certificate type, like training, workshop, internship. I'm selecting training here, and in your duration you have to fill your duration for how much days you have done it. Like I am writing 4 months, so if you are doing it for days, months or something, you have to mention it, because if there will be an error, your application will be rejected. Then you have to go to apply certificate and apply. Then after applying your certificate, you will have your application ID available here. You have to copy your application ID and you have to go to certificate option, and there you have to go to check application status. You have to type your application status there and you have to go to check status. Your application will be shown as pending status, but in some time or in 24 to 48 hours, you will verify your application status and it will be changed to verified. In a few moments, your application status will be verified and you will get your certificate number. Where all the updates regarding your certificate number or application number will be given to you using your email ID. You have to copy your certificate number from here, and then from the certificate option you have to go to download certificate. Here you have to enter your certificate number and you have to enter your date of birth. After entering these, you have to click on download certificate, and a certificate here or will be downloaded for you of the course that you are doing from SSSAM Academy. And in future, if you want to verify your certificate, you have to go to the certificate option of verifying. Then there you have to type your certificate number and you have to verify your certificate. You can verify your certificate in future if there is need. This is the way in which you can download your certificate from SSSAM Academy. And thank you for watching and connecting with us.